Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on Indian financial system part 5. In this part we are going to discuss 20 important questions on mutual fund. Please subscribe the channel. Subscription is free. So let us start. Question number 1. In India, AMC must be registered with dash dash dash. A. Companies Act 2013. B. No registration required. C. Securities Exchange Board of India. D. Reserve Bank of India. The correct answer is C. Securities Exchange Board of India. In India, AMCs must be registered with Securities Exchange Board of India. Question number 2. Dash dash is a type of investment vehicle consisting of a portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. A. Government securities. B. Mutual funds. C. Derivatives. D. Shares. The correct answer is B. Mutual funds. Mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle consists of portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Consists debt as well as equity portfolio. Question number 3. The first player of the mutual fund industry was A. ICICI Mutual Fund, B. UTI Mutual Fund, C. State Bank of India Mutual Fund, D. LIC of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India Mutual Fund. The correct answer is B. UTI Mutual Fund. So the Unit Trust of India was started in 1964 and it is the first mutual fund industry company in India. Question number 4. The value of 1 unit of investment in mutual fund is called the dash dash dash. A. Net asset value. B. Issue value. C. Market value. D. Gross asset value. The correct answer is A. Net asset value. The value of 1 unit of investment in mutual fund is called the net asset value. Question number 5. Dash dash regulates the mutual fund industry in India. A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Association of Mutual Funds of India. C. Securities Exchange Board of India. D. State Bank of India. The correct answer is C. Securities Exchange Board of India. Securities Exchange Board of India regulates the mutual fund industry in India. Question number 6. What is the full form of NAV? A. Net assessment value. B. National asset value. C. Net asset value. D. National asset variation. The correct answer is C. Net asset value. The full form of NAV is net asset value. Question number 7. Dash dash schemes not exposed to sudden and large movement of funds. A. Fixed maturity plan. B. Open-ended funds. C. Close-ended funds. D. Interval funds. The correct answer is C. Close-ended funds. Close-ended fund schemes not exposed to sudden and large movement of funds. Question number 8. The feature of a mutual fund where it speeds the investment in various stocks and sectors by pooling the fund of various investors is called as A. Professional management, B. Affordability, C. Diversification, D. Profit. The correct answer is C. Diversification. Question number 9. Dividend income received from mutual funds in the hands of unit holders. A. Fully taxable. B. Fully exempt. C. Partly exempt. D. Partly taxable. The correct answer is B. Fully exempt. The dividend income received from mutual fund in the hands of unit holders is fully exempt. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a limitation of mutual funds? A. No guarantee of return. B. Fees and expenses. C. Poor performance. D. Professional management. The correct answer is D. Professional management. Question number 11. Presently there are dash AMCs in India working. A. 40, B. 50, C. 44, D. 39. The correct answer is C. 44. So this presently means it is on 31st March 2021. Question number 12. Dash are also known as protectors of the funds and are employed by the fund sponsor. A. Sponsor. B. Trustees. C. Asset management company. D. Custodian. The correct answer is B. Trustees. Trustees are also known as protectors of the fund and are employed by the fund sponsor. Question number 13. A minimum startup capital of about dash is required for open-ended schemes. A. 500 million. B. 1000 million. C. 350 million. D. 250 million. So correct answer is D. 200 million. A minimum startup capital of about 200 million is required for open-ended schemes. 1 million means 10 lakhs. Question number 14. The funds in which units can be purchased only during the initial offer period are called A. Open-ended funds. B. Close-ended funds. C. Interval funds. D. Fixed maturity plan. The correct answer is B. Close-ended funds. Question number 15. Dash are considered high risk funds but also tend to provide high return. A. Equity funds. B. Money market funds. C. Balanced or hybrid funds. D. Debt funds. The correct answer is A. Equity funds. Equity funds are considered high risk funds but also tend to provide high return. It is generally said in finance that more risk, more return. High risk, high return. Question number 16. Dash are funds that invest in company debentures, government bonds and other fixed income assets. A. Equity funds. B. Money market funds. C. Balanced or hybrid funds. D. Debt funds. The correct answer is D. Debt funds. Debt funds are the funds that invest in companies' debentures, government bonds and other fixed income assets. Question number 17. AMFI was incorporated on A. 22nd August 1995, B. 12th April 1992, C. 1st April 1935, D. 15th August 1947. The correct answer is A. 22nd August 1995. Question number 18. Which type of fund is more volatile? A. Large cap funds. B. Mid cap funds. C. Small cap funds. D. Hybrid funds. The correct answer is A. Large cap funds. Large cap funds are more volatile. Question number 19. Investors can enter and exit under dash 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 at any time. A. Fixed maturity plan. B. Open-ended funds. C. Close-ended funds. D. Interval funds. The correct answer is B. Open-ended funds. Investors can enter and exit under open-ended funds at any time. Last question. The NAV of each scheme should be updated on AMFI's website. A. Every day. B. Every month. C. Every hour. D. Every quarter. The correct answer is A. Every day. The NAV of each scheme should be updated on AMFI's website every day. NAV means net asset value. So please subscribe the channel. Subscription is free. For more videos, go to the description.